How to uninstall Yoshion safely. So you have decided it's time to say goodbye to the Yoshion. No problem. Uninstalling it safely is actually pretty straightforward. First things first, close your Yoshion completely. You don't want it running in the background while you are trying to get rid of it, right? If you have your app right over here in the home screen, the process is easy. Simply tap on it and it will show you an option called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. And if it's not right over here, what you can do is you can go to your Play Store and search your Yoshion right over here, or just go to the manage my apps under the account section. Here you can see my Yoshion app. Now what I have to do is simply tap on uninstall, then confirm it, and it's happened uninstall. So the first way, you can do it from your home screen. Second way, you could go to the Play Store, easy peasy, right? That's it. Your Yoshion should now be completely removed from your phone. If you are into any issues, double check that you have closed the Yoshion before starting the uninstall process. I hope this video was helpful. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.